How's it going? What's for dinner tonight? Velveeta macaroni and cheese. Chili. We'll mix it together. Chili mac. Should be quick and simple. Cover or microwave, uncover, on half, 3.5 minutes. Do not drain. So it's just that easy. Pull this off. Take this out. Boom. Add water just to the fill line. Put this in the microwave. 3.5 minutes. 3.5. Now this, the chili, it microwaves on 1.5. Cook that. Then put the chili in. We got us a bowl. It's not as deep as I thought it originally was when I bought it. Might be okay, it might not be big enough, I don't know. Heck yeah. Pull this out. One and a half. Alright. Does it again. Boom. That's hot. Pour it over. We'll let it cool down just a minute. We got chili left, which is actually the good part. That's the soupy part, because I spilt it down in there instead of scooping it down in there. But it's okay. It's okay. Let's see how this is. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's real good. So some of you ask me, what's for dinner? Do I go in all the time? Not always. I get stuff. I cook it in the microwave. Cook it in our fryer back there. Mix it up a little bit, right? Yeah. We added hot dogs to it. Chili mac with hot dogs as well. And now this is the chili that I used, Campbell Chunky Chili. Somebody was asking on the live stream about that the other day. It is real good. Velveeta cheese. One of these, two of these makes that huge bowl. And man, is it good. Indeed. Y'all have an awesome day. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate it. Thank you. Don't forget to get that like and subscribe button for future videos. And I'm going to sit here and enjoy my chili mac with hot dogs.